Kaspa is still your best layer 1 crypto for this very bull market. And if you are doubting because of this correction that is in the market right now, in this video, I will show you the reason why Kaspa is your best layer 1 crypto for this very bull market and onward. And the reason also why you need to get some Kaspa into your portfolio, no matter how small it is, because you can make a lot from this very coin. All of this in this video, and also Bitcoin price analysis, because from this very area, as you can see right now, market is going to come back to the downside. And if you're doubting this movement that I'm going to talk about, wait and watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content, and you can join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. One specific thing about Kaspa is that it have a different technology called the Ghost Dark protocol, and also we have the BEP20. We have a lot of protocols, but this one is a different technology right here that have a different consensus mechanism that is quite different from all the POW coins like ADA, BCH, we'll talk about ETC, and a lot of them. You see, Kaspa is the best, for me, in my opinion, is the best layer 1 crypto to grab in this very bull market to get that amazing return on your investment. Let's take a look at this very Twitter post from this Kaspa ambassador. You see, 15.79 million transactions. This is crazy. That is the total amount of accepted transactions from the Kaspa currency network last Tuesday. That was 22nd of October, okay, 2024. And this is very, very critical. If you go down and read this, to put it into perspective, Kaspa transaction volume last Tuesday was 2.18, the combined all-time highs of BTC, ETC, LTC, BCH, and Doge combined together. Even more impressive, this surge was driven by the launch of just one token on the KRC20 protocol, which is a Kaspa network, which saw massive support from the community. I would also like to point out that even when comparing the daily transaction count of Kaspa to Sol, which achieved its highest ever non-voting transaction count of 53.8 million back in December 2021, Kaspa is only 3.4 times slower. This is crazy, guys. And remember, we're talking about POW, not POS like Ethereum and the like. This is crazy. Look at this. Kaspa is achieving this using POW at 1 BPS at the layer 1. If you read this carefully and you understand programming, maybe you're a developer, you can grab what all this is all about. And you can also interpret the intensity of what all of these mean like a programmer. So this is very important right now, guys. This is on chain. This is not chart, okay? Because if you go to the chart, you can be deceived and say, okay, Kaspa is going all the way to the downside. That's fine. The price is coming back down. But what this means to investors like you and I is that it is a best opportunity to do what? To buy more token from this very area all the way to the upside, because market is going to pump very, very soon. I'm going to show you that in a moment. If you look at this very chart critically, you discover that the market is now at this very level of support. This level of support was one of the level where market moved aggressive from in the past. Look at it here. From this very area, market has entered into this level of support and have few rejection. But if you go right down to this very point, you discover that from this very area, market begin to move all the way upward and create a new all-time high of 0.20 cents. And from there, begin to come back down. And now, market is at the same level. What do you think about this? Market is going to, from this very area on Kaspa, move to the upside, and I am expecting that move to reach this very area, then little retracement again to the downside before the next aggressive move upward. So what you need to do right now within this very region is to buy aggressively. Don't forget Crypto 101. Invest what you can lose, very importantly. So from this very area, market is going to move upward in my opinion, and it is the best time to buy more Kaspa now that is still low at 0.11 cent. Not only that, to further buttress this very perspective, if you look at the MACD indicator, very important thing to show for is that there is a divergence, and this is a bullish divergence. What does this mean? If you connect the dot on this divergence from this very point, you look at it downward up to this very area, if you connect the close of the candles, and then if you come down to the indicator right here at the negative zone or the negative side of the MACD, from this very point to this very area, you discover that this is a complete clear divergence. What this means is the market is going to, from this region, move all the way to the upside for a buy opportunity. But before that buy opportunity comes in, what you need to do as a wise investor or defiant investor is to invest within this very zone, and you can dollar cost average your position, meaning using 50% or 25% to buy first. If it drop back down, you buy more, because Kaspa is the best layer 1 crypto in my opinion in this very bull market. And this is what I am looking at right now, market to move upward, because we have a critical support. Not only that, we have divergence on the chart, and market is going to move all the way to the upside. Not only that, you've seen this very information about this on-chain data, 15.79 million transactions in a single day, and this surpassed the total transaction that have occurred on Bitcoin, ETC, and BCH and the like of layer 1, all the way to the upside for Kaspa, guys. I believe market is going to move all the way to the upside aggressively, especially when we begin to see that very aggressive altcoin pumps. And we're going to see that happen on Kaspa. Don't forget, Kaspa uses a different technology called cuspt, and this technology runs a different order of consensus mechanism that is quite different from every other consensus mechanism on the blockchain. This is why you need to also even consider Kaspa to do even more better. Look at the market capitalization, $2.83 billion. And the total supply for Kaspa is 28.7 billion Kaspa. Remember, the total supply 25 billion equal to the circulating supply 25 billion. Market is going to move all the way to the upside. Notwithstanding, Bitcoin is going to come back down. Take it from me. Bitcoin is going to come back to the downside. I can assure you that it's going to come down. And I'm going to show you why I believe Bitcoin is going to come back all the way to the downside right now. Look at it. From this very point, market to move upward. You see, market has been moving significantly all the way to the upside. We have rejection right here. I can call this an impulse in my opinion. And then retracement, market impulse, retracement, market impulse, retracement, and the market move upward. Right now, this is a fake out. Market is going to come back down. Not only that, look at it. Market break this very key structure of resistance. This was a very key resistance, and we can also call this a fake out. Okay, so this fake out make the market to push a lot of folks into the market from this very area. You see a fake out with this very candle right here. Market is going to come back down for a retracement. Okay, so this is a fake out. Market have to retrace before the next move to the upside, and that is what I am looking at right now. So this is one reason. The second one is, if you connect the dot as well on this very chart, it is covered that the market right now is having a divergence. Look at it on the MACD indicator. So from this very point to this very area, and if you draw exact same point on the MACD indicator, you discover that this is a bearish divergence. Why? Because it occurs at resistance number 1, and then if you compare these lines, you discover that this is moving upward and this is coming down on the indicator. Not only that, look at it, market is going to come all the way to the downside. A confirmation that we need to see right now is for the market to break this very trend line, and this trend line is very important. So once market break out of this trend line, which market is going to do very soon, as you can see on the chart, market is going to come back down to this very level of $65,000 to this very area of $61,000. In my opinion, that is where the retracement is going to pause before the next move to the upside. So once you see a breakout, which I believe is already in, market is going to come back to the downside to this very zone, $65K to $60K possible retracement zone before the market is going to move upward again for the next aggressive impulsive move. Let me repeat that: aggressive impulsive move. Bitcoin is still going to move upward, don't get me wrong. Bitcoin is still going to run all the way to the upside, but before that move occur on the chart, we must see this retracement come into the market, which is very, very significant. Not only that, that retracement is going to fuel the movement all the way to the upside on Bitcoin, and that is what I am not paying attention to. So market retracement is very, very fine before the next aggressive move in the market, for the next aggressive move on Bitcoin to $80,000. So this is what I am not expecting from the chart, owing to the fact that this divergence have to play out before we can see that next move in the market for BTC. So if you're a Bitcoin trader, please pay attention to market coming all the way to the downside. And if you know that, then that also means you should know that if Bitcoin begin to come back down, every other altcoins or 90% of altcoins is going to come all the way to the downside with it, which is very, very fine and okay. So this is what you should pay attention to. The most important thing in this video is that Kaspa is at the best position or price level to buy right now. And from this very divergence, once we see a breakout of this very trend line, it is an indication that that very move is going to come into Kaspa for the market to move aggressively to the upside. So what you should be paying attention to on Kaspa is for the market to move upward and then break out on this very level of important resistance. Once that happens, then the divergence is confirmed, which means market is going to move upward, okay? And aggressive move is going to come into this very price level of 0.14 and $0.16. Kaspa is the best layer 1 crypto for this very bull market, in my opinion. Comment below if you're holding Kaspa in the comment section of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also join the Telegram channel for more crypto update news and technical analysis. Thanks for watching.